We've deliberately constructed a portfolio that invests into private environmental infrastructure across three primary areas. So that's renewable energy generators such as wind, solar, anaerobic digestion and biomass, alongside other energy infrastructure. And that's assets that don't generate energy but play a vital role in supporting the transition towards net zero. So that includes things like our battery storage and low carbon transportation assets. So combined last but not least with investments in sustainable resource management, such as waste and wastewater treatment. And we believe the complementary nature of these assets deliver highly sought after income and growth opportunities, whilst balancing assets across different stages in their life cycle and different technologies adds to the highly differentiated nature of the portfolio for which FGEN is already well known. In an investment climate in which predictable inflation-linked returns, long-term contracts and predictable cash flows are top of investors' agenda, FGEN's portfolio is perfectly positioned to deliver against these metrics. This reflects the highly selective and dynamic investment strategy that we have adopted and the ability of the manager Foresight Group to adapt to rapidly evolving market conditions. We firmly believe that environmental infrastructure is one of the most significant investment opportunities of this generation, and that now is the right time to pursue opportunities that enable decarbonisation. Trillions of capital is required for Europe's energy transition by 2030, and this is a significant sum, and to meet it, specialist investors like FGEN can make a real contribution by seeking out and investing in high-quality, mature assets that contribute meaningfully to climate goals, while also delivering predictable income and growth opportunities for our shareholders. The European energy transition sector spans well-established subsectors, alongside new and rapidly evolving opportunities driven by climate change and emerging technologies. But crucially, it offers strong, long-term return potential and is a principle from which we continue to grow our portfolio for the benefit of our shareholders.
Our portfolio is diversified across different sectors, technologies and geographies to deliver robust and attractive risk-adjusted returns that are less exposed to singular risks, whether that be weather resource, reliance on a single subsidy mechanism or technology risk. And we use three key pillars of environmental infrastructure to delineate our investment activity. And whilst investing into established sectors, our mandate also allows us to invest in emerging areas of environmental infrastructure, provided they are sufficiently mature and display strong infrastructure characteristics. We are proud to announce in our full year 2025 results that we will deliver our 11th consecutive year of dividend growth, backed by consistently sustainable dividend coverage. This is an important metric that re-illustrates the income-generating potential that FGEN offers as part of an investor's portfolio. And since IPO, we have returned over £365 million to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. And we're pleased also that FGEN has one of the highest weighted average discount rates amongst its peers, alongside the lowest gearing, and a strong pipeline of risk-adjusted opportunities across our priority sectors. Our income-led strategy is complemented by selective growth investments at both construction and operational stage, supported by targeted exits and capital recycling.
The investment manager for FGEN is Foresight Group, with a track record in investing that dates back to 1984. The company's performance has been robust throughout that time, and it now manages about 13.2 billion in assets under management across infrastructure, real assets, and private equity. Foresight's dedicated infrastructure team has built up a performance track record over many years across a range of infra sectors, with a specialism in environmental infrastructure and a focus on sustainability. The team has around 190 individuals across investment, portfolio management and related functions, and manages 437 assets in the UK, Europe and Australia. These assets represent 4.7 gigawatts of green energy capacity. For FGEN, the benefit of this manager relationship lies in the ability to source opportunities that support our conviction in the acceleration of the UK and Europe's energy transition. FGEN has a fully independent board that provides ongoing oversight into our investment strategy and asset management, ultimately ensuring our activity is optimised to deliver for our shareholders. Our governance framework is simple and well aligned, and underpinned by a competitive fee structure with strong alignment between the investment manager and shareholders. We believe it's important that shareholders have a clear say on the company's future, and the investment manager and the chair of the board maintain a regular dialogue with investors. The upcoming discontinuation vote at the AGM also provides investors with the opportunity to register their views. We're confident that our investment approach and the impact of our assets on the energy transition presents a compelling case for continuation in the coming years.